Go. With thing. Do. Eat. Enjoy. Live. Yeah.
In a stunning turn of events, we are at Epcot, and it's raining. Imagine that. Actually, I'm in Discover 18.
Meatballs, chicken, ain't big, yell as loud as you can, because you're excited to be here at Epcot today, right? Woo! That's what I'm talking about. And our driver Ashley reminded us today that we are on the party tram. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. Alrighty guys, we're going to get this tram out of here. I'm going to call for no further boarding. No further boarding on this tram.
We are here today at Epcot because I have a backstage tour of Spaceship Earth. Thank you, Africa Operations. Perks of working in Animal Kingdom. But that's not until 8:30, so we got some time to kill. Let's go have some fun. But you know, before we have fun, first things first. Starbucks. I had to work this morning, I didn't have Starbucks this morning, and I'm tired. So let's caffeinate. We have coffee. Like I was saying before I got coffee, we're gonna go kill an hour before I have to be back at Spaceship Earth for that tour. Let's go do something. I don't know what. Gonna see if what's under an hour. Maybe if Steve's working, I'm gonna go bug him. I think that'll be all right. Gonna bug Steve.
Hey, Austin at
Hold on.
Adventureland. Austin came to visit me at work. We're outside New Zealand, and he bought a meatball for me because I'm his little meatball.
Steve, that was the gayest thing you ever said.
I've had a long day. Enjoy your tour.
I will. Away from you. See you later, Steve. Look at this stuff. Isn't it neat? Sticker, a flag, a banner, and a button. I live for buttons. Especially buttons with Figment and Epcot on them.
I need this tomorrow. I'll come back tomorrow. Tomorrow. Yeah. Tomorrow. If anybody's watching this before Food and Wine ends, which I'm trying to get this video up before Food and Wine ends, I apologize that I've been so bad at uploading things. The nachos at Greece are literally the best thing ever. Though that meatball I just had in New Zealand was really good too. The nachos, the meatball, and the hummus fries. Go. With thing. Do. Eat. Enjoy. Live. Yeah.
Because I have an hour to waste, I'm gonna go take a boat ride and visit Donald and Jose and Panchito. Forgot his name for a second.
To play as we go, we sing and we samba, we shout. What means ay caramba? Oh yeah, I don't know.
Fun. Bye.
Just met a family from Ohio. The little boy, when the boats bumped each other at the end of the ride, he said sorry. It was adorable. Oh. A duck and a mouse get out of the rain. Excuse me. Oh, needs me some Epcot. Needs me some more Epcot 35 stuff. But I'm gonna go see if my people are at Spaceship Earth, because it's a 7:45 and it said be there by 8:15. So I'm gonna go look, and hopefully it's not stopped raining. We're gonna say hopefully it stopped raining. It's not stopped raining. But we're gonna brave the rain anyway because we're local. We're not some tourist. We live here. We are strong. We are not weak. I was talking to my leader this morning. Yes, Roz, it was great. That's how I do my mystery pens too. I tell them to guess the character I am. And it's always Roz, because Roz is the only one I can do.
It's always raining.
I'm probably annoying now, so I'm gonna shut up. Well, that was literally the coolest thing I've ever done in my life, right?
Right.
Andy wasn't even like supposed to be here, and Andy's here.
Yep. Came to visit me, and now he came on the tour with us. Like, he stowed away and got away with it.
Hashtag thanks Phoenicians.
Thank the Phoenicians.
Thank the Phoenicians.
Whoa, come to this happy place.